Good day, everybody. Today I will be looking at how you can create a certificate in Microsoft Word using their templates. Now, when you open Microsoft Word, you will see an option called templates or more templates, depending on which version you have. Now, on my version, there is an option called more template. So once I click on that, it will bring me to different templates showing different documents that you can create using a template. For example, you'll see invoice, certificate, resume, calendar, and if you scroll down the list, you'll see others. Now we're going to be looking at the certificate. So you could select one from here, or you could go online and select an online template, but I'm going to select one from this section here that we are looking at. So if you notice, this one is saying World's Best Award Certificate. If you would like to search as well to see if there's any other that you would like to use, any other template that is, you could scroll through to see if there's any other that you would like to use. For example, this has Employee of the Month certificate. Say you want to use this one. Once you click on it, the option will come up for you to create it. So once you hit the create button, the template, the certificate template, will appear in front of you. So once you scroll through, you'll see that it has everything there already. All you have to do is edit it. Depending on the type of certificate, you may want to make it more colorful or less colorful, right? Usually if it is a professional type of certificate, better yet, if it's a formal type of certificate, you would not want a lot of colors inside of it. So we're going to be working with this, and we're going to edit it to suit our need. So once you highlight the different sections you want to edit, you simply type what it is that you want to be there. For example, for this heading, I may want to change it. What would I change it to? For argument's sake, I would want to change it to most discipline. So I could simply highlight and remove what is there and type what I want to be there, which would be most discipline. I can also change the font. So once you highlight it, you can change the font to something that looks more certificate-like. So we're going to scroll through to see if there is one that we can use that looks more like certificate. So I'm going to be looking for one that looks good enough. All right, for now I'm going to be using that one, and I am going to be increasing the size as well. All right, then where it says this certificate is awarded to, we could change the font size and the font for that as well. So I'm going to change it to Cambria, and the font size, I'm going to change it to size 18. Where it says Alexander Martinson, I'm going to change that to a different font as well. Let me quickly scroll through and find a very nice font. Adorable is nice. I'm going to change it, and I'm going to also change the name, right? The font wasn't changed, or did it change and change back? I'm going to highlight it and change the font as soon as I am finished. Type in my name. All right, Then we're going to let this remain, but change the font to Cambria. So I'm going to let this certificate is awarded to, as well as for your stellar performance for the month of December, remain the same, as in the same text font, sorry. And then under the section that says Kiana Anderson, Operations Manager, and date, which is right beside it, I'm going to change the font for those as well to Cambria. All right. Now when I change it to Cambria, I notice manager is in a new line, so I'm going to reduce the size, maybe to size 11, yes, and that will bring it back into a single line. All right, good. All right, we can change the outside of the certificate. So once you click on it, you'll notice that it is highlighted. How do you know it is highlighted? You will see around each corner a little circle or half of a circle. Even in the middle of it, you'll see it right where my mouse is moving. You will see that. So you will know that it is selected with that being at the edges, right? So once you have done that, you would right click on that same area and then select format shape. You can change the colors if you desire. You can put a shadow to it, a glow to it, anything like that. I like these colors, so I'm going to let these colors remain. All right, so I'm going to apply a page border around this very same border that is on the template or comes with the template. So I'm going to just hit the design tab, and then under the page background group, I'm going to select page borders. Then under art, I'm going to select one of those borders that can be used for certificates. Did I pass one just now? Nope. All right, so this is one that could be used. This could also be used. This could be used. All right, so we have a few of them that can be used for a certificate. All right. All right, so let me scroll back to the top and choose one of those at the top. I'm going to see how this one will look. And remember also, you can change the color. So where you have color, you could click on that and change it. Since it has blue in it, I could select one with blue, and then I could click on OK. And if you notice, within that same border with the colors, you have another border with it, right? So I don't know if you like this, but we could change it to a different one. Let me select the first one I was thinking of. I'm going to show you that very soon. Am I going too fast? No. Alright, this is one that could be used, right? And once you click on OK, you'll see the design on it, but you could always select one of your choice. So it is pretty simple. It's already built or designed to have everything that a certificate carries or should have on it. You can just edit it and modify it to look more creative if you desire. All right guys, I do hope you have learned something new. Thank you for watching. I'm going to ask you to subscribe if you have not subscribed, share, comment, and remember to watch the ads. Thank you guys.